Now, just as leaving the test center can be a bit daunting and you can actually fail in the first few seconds of the driving test, you can also fail going back to the driving test center. Now, the reason why that happens, and I've seen it before, is students become complacent. They've done the test, they've about to pass, and they're driving back to the test center. They're very ecstatic, they're happy, they know they didn't make a mistake, and then as they're coming back into the test center, they just lower their guard slightly. They become a bit complacent and they make that major fault. What do I mean by that major fault? It could be simply not even looking on a roundabout on the right, for example. It could be being a bit too eager to get back to the test center. So you might have a meeting scenario and you push yourself in, or you didn't wait in the correct position where you should be waiting. Whatever the mistake, you've become a bit complacent and now you've caused yourself to have a serious fault. You don't want to fail in the first minute as you're leaving the test center, nor do you want to fail in the last minute as you're getting back.